सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे ओम शांति शांति शांति। बोलो श्री शिवानंदमय की जय जय माँ। Today I'm making a salad and showing you. Okay, it's a different kind of salad. So look at the ingredients, come closer with the camera, Bharti. Come closer. Can you see? Now, this is mayonnaise, okay? This is mayonnaise. This is eggless mayonnaise, which I'm mixing in curd. This is curd. So, it's about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, which I'm taking. And just mix it in this curd. Little bit of curd. And mix it. Once this is done, then you put chili flakes as much as you want. Okay, I want more, so I put more. Then you take oregano, little bit of oregano. Then I've taken mixed herbs. This is mixed herbs, little bit. Okay. Then you put in half a lemon juice. Then take your salt. Salt. Then take pepper. I'll show you everything step by step. This is pepper, black pepper. Now mix it well. This is the dressing we are making, okay? You get eggless mayonnaise, so you have to take that. It has to mix well, otherwise it will be bad. Won't taste good. Now, let this rest till we ready the other things. Okay. Now, you take your serving bowl. See, this is croutons. It's bread which you cut into small cubes like this. And you can bake it in the oven, which we've done in the oven. You just have to put the tray in the oven at 180 degrees, okay? And other stuff that you can do is, you can fry it in a pan on the gas without oil, like how you dry roast anything. So you can put little breadcrumbs in the pan and dry roast. That is also fine. You can deep fry also, but deep fry has a lot of oil in it, so I don't do that. So I prefer in the oven. So that's what I'm showing you. This is croutons, which you use for soups also sometimes. This is how you do it. Now, the things we take are cabbage. Put your cabbage here. Shredded cabbage. Okay. Then cucumber. All these little dices I have done, little pieces. Then this is paneer, which I have made into tiny cubes. Okay, so throw that also. All the paneer. And these are cheese. Okay. That also you have to do in small cubes like this and throw it in. It's a different kind of salad, but it's delicious. So you can try it. And then you take iceberg. Like I told you, I prefer iceberg to salad leaves. So this is iceberg, which you chop like this and throw it in. Now, what you do is, you take your dressing. Mix it well and start throwing your dressing as much as you need. So I have to first stir and see how much I need. Just stir it nicely, mix it. Hand is the best thing you can do. With spoon it doesn't turn out well. Hand is best. So clean your hands and just mix it. This is how you do it. Mix it nicely. कुल्ला कुल्ला ऐसे हाथ से कुल्ला कुल्ला मिक्स करिए. Even if I take a little more, it's fine. I'm taking the entire thing. Okay. Mix it. Got it? This is mixed. Now, my hands are dirty, but doesn't matter. I'm just showing you, but I'm not doing it now because just during when you serve, you have to throw these croutons on top. If you throw it now, what will happen is it'll all become soggy, the bread. So, you know, I'm just showing you a little bit. Just throw it like this on top and serve. I'm not putting everything just now. Got it? This is how you do it. So try it. It's a very simple recipe, but it's very tasty. So try this salad and let me know. Okay? My hands are dirty, but I'm just going to say my prayer. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvina Vaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe Om Shanti 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 Bolo Shri Shimanandamai ki Jai.